Hey gang, and welcome back to Squiddy Vlogs. I've just arrived down in Brighton. Let's open this door one-handed. It's got like 2 locks, which is awkward. So yeah, I've arrived down in Brighton and it is, in true British style, it's been raining. Which I was going to like eat my food outside tonight, but oh well. Literally just arrived. It's about 5 PM now, so I'll be having food soon if the microwave works. If not, I'll have to try and order something. But this is the garden cottage according to Wikipedia, although it's actually a basement in a Victorian townhouse, and it's literally just started to rain again, so I'm going to head back indoors. It's really warm in here though, which is surprising me. Who'd get the door locked? So got all like your standard like crockery and cutlery, toiletries, tea and coffee making facilities, that kind of thing. Although the kettle doesn't seem to work. Mugs, glasses, coffee percolator. I brought some cereal with me, but I was literally in the shop and I didn't buy any milk. There's the little ultra heat treated like cup things, but I'm not sure how that's going to taste. I do have some bread anyway, so I could just make some toast. I could make butter. Toast with butter on. How lovely. Literally. I got some bananas though, which is good. You got to be healthy, got to eat that fruit. Some nice like little artwork here. Hoover. Little like, I'm not sure what these would have been originally. I'm really miffed about what this area was. Toilet, which, you know, it's a toilet. You gotta have one. We go into the bedroom. Still unpacking everything, which is gonna take ages. Literally ages. And surprisingly, this is actually literally less than 5 minute walk from London Road, Brighton. But we got things here. Little oil heater. Got ourselves a microwave, a kettle, which I have no idea if this thing's working or not. I don't know if it's down or up for on. I don't know. I'll leave it down for a bit. Toaster. Little thing here. What do you call these? Hot plate. Hob thing. Little teeny tiny little fridge with my meal in it and some olive oil spread. It was just the cheapest spread that was in Marks and Spencer at Brighton Station. And I got this thing shut earlier, but it's not wanting to shut now. Anyway, I'll get it shut in a bit. Whoops. This is the craziest like place ever. Some Pink Lady apple juice, which wouldn't even fit in this little fridge. A little sofa, which I'm on now, which I would have thought the sofa would have been better to put there in front of the radiator. You know, so that we can actually, like, you know, sit and watch TV, which, funny thing with that TV, when I arrived here, it wasn't tuned. And I thought, just tune it in, you know. It looks, I think this is quite a new place here. There is no aerial connected. There is Wi-Fi here, so I connect, and it wasn't even connected to Wi-Fi, so I mean, I don't know if it was just like, they unboxed it, mounted it on the wall, and that was it, maybe. So I've just connected it to the Wi-Fi and watching, of course, Sky News Live on YouTube. They're talking about Brexit, and Boris Johnson's issues that he's having at the moment. There's the bed, which is kind of cute, and this sofa is actually really comfy, to be honest. Even though this is so small, and it's only 3 rooms, it feels really cosy. I don't know why, but it's just a nice place. Yeah, oh yeah, I haven't shown the shower, which is just a shower. You know, there's nothing special. Little shower, these real plants are fake. probably fake plants. And I love these windows. I don't know what they're called, but if you know what this window's called, let me know down in the comments. But I just think these are so cool. These little slanty things. I'm going to put it back up, although there's still gaps, and you can literally go outside and just push it open. But you know, I still think they're kind of cool. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Slap that like button. I don't think there's anything else that I've missed. Oh yeah, we've got all towels and looks like duvets, which is nice. You've got spare ones of those. I love the fact that that to cover this window, instead of putting like a blind on it or curtains, they've just, I'm guessing this is temporary, they've put 2 pictures up, which is the strangest thing I've ever seen, but it works, I guess, apart from there's that little hole in the corner. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Slap that like button if you did, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys!